Press and hold the set button for 20 to 22 seconds, releasing the button when the LED flashes red and green alternatively. Important: the LED will flash and change colors several times while you hold the set button. Disregard this, as the factory reset only occurs after 20 to 22 seconds. If you release the set button before the LED alternately flashes red and green, you will need to perform the factory reset steps again. You can verify the factory reset was successful by briefly pressing the set button. The LED will blink red twice, then green twice. Thank you.